Good morning, children. Welcome back to our video class. Now, I hope that you have already listened to the past videos, that is from the main prose, two stories about flying, part 1 and 2, and from the supplementary reader, The Triumph of Surgery. My request to you is please go through your textbooks, read the lesson at least 5 times, and then once again you come back to the audio and see whether you can understand everything. And please do your assignment, that is the textual question answers should be done in your notebook. And now coming back to the next class, that is the second chapter from the supplementary reader, The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Here in the story, the character in the story is Anil, a young man of 25 years, and Hari Singh, who is just the narrator, and the narrator himself is narrating the whole story and introducing himself as a thief. The story deals with a valuable relationship. Two unknown people come together to a level of strengthened bond that a thief could think of leading a respectable life. He learned how to cook and was educated by Anil. The understanding between the two made Hari The understanding between the two made Hari Singh think of giving up the thievery and living a dignified social life. He could have easily spent his life where his fate was inevitable, as one day he would have been caught and put behind the bars. But the essential goodness was evolved in him by a generous and understanding writer. He bestowed faith in him and reformed him. So here the thief wanted a better life. So that is why when he went to Anil, he wanted to learn also. He wanted to get educated and he wanted to have a lead a dignified life in the social life. Now the central character of the story is a thief. The whole story is revolving around him and the perspective is presented in the lesson. The journey of evolution from a petty thief, a respectable man, is full of lessons for our life too. The narrator reveals a clever findings of the victim, his entrapping them, and finally how he manages to elope them and escape unhurt from the scene. It is likely that he would have done the same to Anil also. But the goodness and the helping attitude of Anil reforms the thief here. That is Hari Singh, who has run away with his money. However, he couldn't bound Hari here. He returns back and serves his master for his own betterment. So here you could say that the title of the story is perfectly justified. Now, when you are moving on to the summary of the story, when you just go on taking the summary of the story, the narrator narrated the whole story and introduced himself as a thief. When he is he described Anil as a young man of 25 years and they met at a wrestling match. His calm appearance gave an opportunity to the thief to get friendly with him. His smile was a bait. Hari Singh followed Anil after the match was over. He asked Anil to work. He was ready to work for Anil if he could feed him. So Anil agreed to engage Hari Singh if he could cook food for both. And the thief did not know how to cook food also. So he made a terrible food because he doesn't know anything to cook. Anil taught him how to cook food. He taught him how to read and write. The thief made the morning tea and brought daily supplies for Anil. Hari Singh tried to dupe him by making profit here. Anil was not a rich man also. Sometimes he borrowed money but repaid the loan whenever he earned money through his writings for magazine, because Anil is a great writer and he is writing for the magazine, and he repaid all these things by writing for the magazines. The thief thought it as a strange way of making money. So one day Anil sold a book to the publisher and bought home a bundle of notes. Notes here means money. He put the money under his mattress. Hari Singh could not resist the temptation of getting bundles of notes because already Hari Singh is a thief, and so he couldn't resist it. Seeing such a big bundle of notes there, he couldn't resist and he wanted to take it. He got up quietly when Anil went to sleep. He took out the money and slipped away. And he had 600 rupees in his possession now. He knew he would live decently for some time at least with the money that he has taken. He reached the railway station, and just as the Lucknow Express picked up speed, something held him back. So he didn't want to go because he knew that he was cheating Anil. So he didn't want to. Something took him back. The train was soon out of the sight, and Hari Singh was left alone in the platform. He was not sure about his future. So yet he knew that he should not hurt the sentiments who trusted him. Anil trusted him such a lot. So he thought that he should not hurt his feelings who trusted him. Before moving back, he thought of staying somewhere else, but he knew that he had no acquaintance. So he couldn't go out to stay in a hotel of fear of being caught, because he has stolen the money and he has slipped out. So he was afraid to stay in a hotel. The thief thought that Anil would be sad not for the loss of the money but for the loss of trust he had reposed in him. It was a cold night now, and it was drizzling. When he went to the Maidan, he sat down on a bench there. His clothes got drenched. So he went back to the bazaar. There he took shelter under the clock tower. All this is talking about the thief, Hari Singh, who had slipped out of the house. It was midnight, he thought, and he realized that he had got a chance of being a respectable man, because he was taught to learn and write. He was trusted by Anil and everything was there. So he thought that he could have lived as a respectable man when he was with Anil. So Anil was taking pains to teach him reading and writing. So he decided to go back to Anil again and reach his home. Anil was still asleep. He put the money back at its usual place. He slept till later. So he cunningly left it back there and he went to sleep and he was sleeping later also. Anil had made tea for Hari Singh and woke him up. Anil offered him 50 rupees note here. He also promised him to pay him regularly. So till then he did not pay any money to Hari Singh, and now Anil had understood that something has happened, and so what he did is early morning when his notes were all found there wet, he understood that Hari Singh had slipped away, and now he paid 50 rupees for Hari Singh, and he said that he would pay him regularly, and the note was still wet. Anil understood everything, but he did not expose all these things to the thief's doing. Instead, Anil said that they would start writing sentences that day. So he wanted to teach him again. And Hari Singh was a little bit guilty and he smiled with shame because he knew that Anil had understood all his doings the previous night and he hasn't exposed all these things to Hari Singh. So that was what he felt guilty and ashamed of. Now, when we are moving on, this is the story of the thief. That is a thief story. And now, when we are moving on to the theme of the story is telling us how the thief changes into a good man. The center point of the story is Hari Singh, who is the thief, and he is the narrator of the story. He is just 15 years old, and during the wrestling match only he is meeting Anil, and Anil is 25 years old. He is a writer, and Anil is a simple and a honest man. He takes Hari Singh to his house and gives shelter to him, and he knows that this Anil is already a thief. He knows it very well, but still Anil is planning to help him by helping him to read and write and give money and all. So he saves, Hari Singh is saving money for his daily supplies from Anil, but he does not say anything to Anil here. He teaches him, now Anil teaches him how to read, how to cook, how to read, how to write. And one day Anil is bringing a bundle of notes for his writings that he has given to a journalist there, publisher. And Hari Singh decides to steal the money when Anil was sleeping. After that, he takes the money and he is reaching the station. From there, he gets a conscience which stops him not to go away, because Anil has already trusted him like that. So he should not cheat him. So he returns back with the money and places it in the same place where it was, and slept off for a long time. And here Anil is saying that he would giving him 50 rupees. He said that he would pay him regularly, and he told he is going to start with the sentences, teaching him with the sentences to write. And now children, what is the message that you are getting from the story? Not to cheat others. So this is the same with everyone in the life. We are just promised with something and we are cheated by someone, means it really hurts, isn't it? So we should never do that. When we are promising something, that should always be done. So it happens always in our lives too. So we should always keep in our mind that we should never cheat. Once after cheating, when it is pricking our conscience, we should regret for it and then just apologize. But without that, we should never go. Now the message that we are getting here is Hari Singh was very happy and excited when he learned to write his name. He was very excited when Anil promised him to teach him to write the whole sentence. And he know that being an educated man would add to his abilities. And when he left Anil's house, he realized that stealing was completely different to getting educated, and so his desire to receive education made him return to Anil once again. Thus, a person's life could be changed if he meets a mentor who would guide him and help him to choose the right path in his life. This is what always we need in our life. A proper mentor to change. So the first one is when even though Hari Singh was a thief, he got a proper mentor who was loving him, who was teaching him and providing with the food and everything, and so he changed it, and that would be better enough for him to lead a proper life and a better social life and a respectable man. So also see that children, learn not to cheat others when they are trusting us. So this is the lesson that we have to learn from the story. This is the message that we are getting from the story. So once again, let me repeat saying that please go through the story and read it thoroughly do your work, stay safe. Thank you, children.